So this is the Narend versus New Holland picking contest. Well, let's see how they did. So this is the Narend. Manuel says that the berries tend to get less damaged with the Narend, that there is more rachis that makes it into the gondola. Okay, now we're looking at a bin picked by the New Holland. There is significantly less green material in this gondola on the positive side, which I think a lot of people like. On the negative side, there's more damaged berries, and there is significantly more juice in the bin. Let's take a look at a couple more. Okay, here we're looking at a Narend. Okay, same exact block, Cabernet Sauvignon. Easy to tell that there's significantly less green material. Get a little zoom in so you can see a little bit better. It really does pick much cleaner. You can see that a significant amount of this bin is juiced. So it might be a lesser of the two evils. The Merlot. Very little green matter in this gondola. In the case of Merlot, it has juiced quite a bit less than the Cabernet, which is interesting. Okay, here's the Narend with the Merlot. Quite a bit more green material, again less juicing. So perhaps the Merlot kind of shows again that it is a good variety to machine harvest, because you can harvest it without the green matter and with very little juicing. In the case of the Cabernet, you kind of have to pick either or.